Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we're going to show you the place of Germany and Austria in this place. So we will walk, but this area is still Switzerland guys. We are still in Switzerland, so I will show you the view of Germany. Wait, Shatsu, what is the chat? Give me one, huh? So, this one. I don't know what fruit it is this. Uh, not
Hazelnut.
hazelnut 9. Neat. We'll see. I will open. Sorry. Ah. I think the violet one shots. Quitchen. Oh, quitchen. Nice house. Oh, look at that house. I really like this house. So, that is still Switzerland. The garden house, beautiful. But in Philippines, that is house already set for family. Beautiful house for the family. Luxury. Wow. So continue walking guys. Oh, see, beautiful here is Rizal. Back. The most beautiful man here.
Here, everywhere or for me, here. And I'm the only one then, yes, of course I'm the beautiful one.
Here for today. Complaining guys. Maybe he wants a talent fee. So watch now. Like and share. Oh, still beautiful even wedges. Beautiful flowers. Oh, flowers everywhere. So Manang she must be very sad during winter time. That's no.
Warum?
Hunting. Hunting birds. Must hunting birds to have food for summer. Because the birds in winter time, it's easily to catch. Yeah, shots. In summertime, they hardly to get shots. So, oh, look at this. Wow. Beautiful kids paradise. Shall we go there, shots? Enjoy a little bit cappuccino. Espresso. Oh, ang groceries daw. Sanggalan. Lighthouse. Beautiful house. So let's check the fishes here. The fishes, they have a lot of koi here. Wow, they are so big. Look at them. Big koi. Oh. Where are they in winter time shots?
Here.
Only here? Only hiding inside. Oh, very big. I think 5 kilos one piece. Let's go, man, chats. Ah, they will offer you shot. You must broadcast. So guys, huy, big aloe vera. So guys, please come here in Sedel. This is the restaurant and kids paradise. They can enjoy here in summer. The kids, farmer Tugalle. Beer garden. Hello, Grüezi.
Ja, wenn wir da alles gemacht haben.
Gobsinsi guys.
Hat einiges geändert.
Ay, Gobsinsi. Bodensi. Beautiful. That is Sanggalan, guys. See the football field there. That one is arena. And that is Bodensi. Now here is Austria in that area, guys. In that area, Austria. So as you see, there is highway going to Zurich. That one, Zurich, Straßenbahn. So this is the train, Eisenbahn for the kids. Oh, very nice.